Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu states, we along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to Zatul Riqa and made Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam stay under a shady tree, whereas his sword was hanging with the tree. One of the polytheists came, took the sword of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and drew it, and said to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, do you fear me? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, no. He said, who will save you from me? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will save me from you. The companions of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam threatened him. He thereupon put the sword in the scabbard and hang it. Meanwhile, the prayer call was announced. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam laid one party in 2 units, and they went back. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam laid the other party in 2 units. In this way, there are 4 units for Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and 2 for the other people. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 1946.